celebrating my birthday dinner on this amazing restaurant. That's perfect. We love it. Yes, very spacious, windowing table.
Overlook Azalea Garden.
So we are here now, touching down in the Overlook Azalea Garden. Wait, Overlook. Overlook Azalea Garden.
All right. Look at this. Flowers everywhere, everywhere. You know what? While you're taking pictures of that, I'm gonna go to the restroom.
Fabulous.
You just take lots of pictures of that. That's beautiful. Look at that. That's beautiful.
Oh my goodness, this is so stunning. Overlook Azalea Garden here in Callaway Garden. So much to see. Beautiful nature. See azaleas blooming in the Overlook Azalea Garden. Stunning. I'm doing video.
Yeah, I see you.
Abby is there. That's how beautiful here, but I don't like my skin touches to the leaves because we never know how they are, but they are all beautiful.
Here, so.
Those are all the oh Lord, that's so stunning, beautiful. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Planted under the direction of co-founder Virginia Hand Callaway with the help of renowned Azalea expert Fred Galley. Wow. The Overlook Azalea Garden is steeped in Callaway history. It is surely one of the most beautiful places on earth each spring. When thousands of azaleas bear vibrant blooms and visitors flock here to gaze in wonder at the kaleidoscope of natural color. At the top of the garden is the Overlook Pavilion. Host site to a number of events throughout the year. And a great spot to picnic while enjoying the splendid views. Nice walk should have gone in March because we are here April when everything was in bloom. Beautiful place. It's been beautiful when I go. Great place for family to walk and ride bikes. Big expectations. The place is really beautiful for our 4 days trip. The chapel was outstanding and listening to the music outdoors was nice. Azaleas as their peak, and also the tulips were so gorgeous. Beautiful hike. We had to use our Cali Garden app map to get back to parking lot. Wonderful azaleas. There are so many of them. The Japanese maples are so gorgeous as well. Be sure to make it to the chapel where on certain days you can hear organists. Wow. Beautiful. It's really worth visiting. Lots of azaleas and a great place to walk around. If you need to get away from the noise and busyness of life, this is one of those places. Light bubbling streams drown out the noise, and even when the flowers are super bloom, the lush plant makes this an amazingly relaxing place to meditate. Even if it's raining day, but still beautiful. The azaleas are gorgeous and the cherry trees are showing off their beautiful pinkish white blossoms. Great time to visit. Azalea ball was so lovely and almost in peak bloom. Azaleas of every color and size, pots well maintained. However, wonderful walking trails and great trails for families. It was so gorgeous. I recommend also you should also try the zip lining course as well. Beautiful place, well taken care of, and so peaceful. My very favorite part of Callaway, it's just amazingly so beautiful. Great place to visit, a lot to see and a lot to do. It's so beautiful and extremely peaceful and so relaxing. Say hi.
Hello.
You look so gorgeous and handsome.
Of course.
This is what we call as downhill.
There's a bridge.
Downhill, and Look, look. Wow. Bridge. And what you can see on this bridge is that. That one. Whee! What we call that? Canal. On this side. Oh my goodness. Beautiful nature. See how beautiful is the sun shine. A must go, truly a lovely experience. The place is, oh my God, it's still overlooking there.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi. On the tour, walking tour here in the Overlooking Azalea Garden here in Callaway Garden. It's beautiful. That's the information center. Me also, I already feel. Nice place to visit. Garden restaurant. Huh? Very beautiful. It's beautiful, huh?
Yeah, look at it. Look, the golf carts coming over that bridge.
Wow. Beautiful and serene, beautiful gardens. Very beautiful and very awesome place. So nice to walk through. Beautiful place, right? And then coffee shop. The landing. Oh, look. Oh my goodness. Ah, it's a boat. Wow. Truly a 5-star visit. Enjoy the beautiful azaleas at Callaway Gardens. This is so glorious. Really something, must have some great soil, and what a place for a wedding, so beautiful. Amazing place. Can't wait to be there again on my birthday next year. The lake looks so fun. What a gorgeous place. Wow, full of memories to be made.